I call it process before login. So if they go to the saleswhisper.com/PBL, process before login, as a free, I got a video and a PDF they can download. And what I have people go through, you can do it like with little diagrams. I got a client, he just did it on his whiteboard, and he just drew out processes and connecting the dots. What is your current and ideal process? Because most people's current processes are kind of chaotic. So what's your current/ideal process? And so the example I always give is, maybe you get a lead from an ad. Maybe you get a referral. Okay. Maybe you get, you're at a trade show, you're at a chamber of commerce function, you've got a booth. So those are 3 different ways a lead can come in. So, okay, let's say you get a referral. Lovely. What happens? How do they come in? Is it a phone call? Is it an email? Is it a face-to-face? How do you log those people? How do you track them? How do you schedule the first appointment? What questions do you need answered before you meet? What questions do you need answered when you meet? So have all that documented. And do you have an assistant, right? Do you have a link to your calendar? So think of all those tools. Do you need to do text messaging? What is the process? If you can write that out, even if it's just like a word outline, new lead visits my trade show booth, enter them into the system, send them an immediate text. Thanks for stopping by. Send them an email with a link to the website. Boom. Assign a task to call them tomorrow. Also assign a task to my assistant to mail them the welcome kit. Boom, boom, boom. Just write that out immediately. 1 day, 2 day, day 3, day 10, day 30. Write it out. If you can document it, now you'll know what systems you need, right? So when you go look for a CRM, just like when you go looking for a car, or a vehicle, do you have a big family? Do you tow a boat? Do you drive a lot and you're showing things so you need better gas mileage, right? So you have your own process before you jump into a car and turn it on. Do the same thing with your process for your business. Then you'll know the right CRM to buy.